Hello friends, my name is Tanusha. Today I am here to present a technological solution for the given problem statement: queuing models in OPDs, availability of beds, admission of patients. A hospital-based solution is ideal, which can be integrated with a city-wide module. And our problem statement is under a software category, and our team ID is 29118, and our team name is Vaidya 2.0. Before going to technical terms, let me tell why we have chosen this project. During Corona time, people suffered with lack of bed availability in hospitals in proper time. Even though if there is a bed availability of medicine is somewhat insufficient to the patients to recover fastly. And also during OPDs, it takes lot of time to admit in the hospital. In emergency situations also, there will be a lot of procedure to join the patient in the hospital. So to overcome all these problems, we choose this Vaidya 2.0 to get more scope to reduce wait times of OPDs. This corona pandemic situation makes us inspired to do this project. Now, let me tell how we are going to implement this project. By doing this project, we can minimize wait times and improve service efficiency. A real-time tracking system for bed availability, allocation and discharge, reduce paperwork, minimize errors, and expedite patient onboarding. In this project, we are creating a website in that hospital management uploads all the details of the hospital like address, name, location, admissions, availability of beds, and so on, etc. Everyone should have to register in the website. After registration, it has a 4 different logins: admin login, hospital login, patient login, and ambulance login. For admin login is a super user who monitors all the hospitals and authorized credentials of hospitals. A super user is to manage the internal data and for a security purpose. For hospital login, it has details of the hospital like name, address of the hospital, and specialization of the hospital, which includes is it a multi-speciality hospital or a super speciality hospital like that. And availability of beds. Hospital should upload the details of the availability of beds. It also includes a type of beds, either the beds are filled or not, etc. Medicine availability in the store. If admitting and discharging time of patients, details of patients like reports and admitting time. The reports of the patient should be transferred from one hospital to another hospital internally. And in the hospital login, there will be ambulance requests. An ambulance can request admission or a bed for the patient. It will be checked by the hospital and confirm the request. If the bed or the requirements of the ambulance is available, the data will be shared internally from one hospital to another hospital, like the patient details and reports. Approval appointments of the patients should be approved by the hospital. For a patient login, patient can select location or access the location to search the hospitals nearby him. After searching the hospitals near to him, he can check availability of their requirement, and he can select the hospital by seeing the reviews of that hospital. He can select timings according to their free time, and he can book appointments. And it also contains a medical reports which can be shared. For a ambulance driver login, it has a driver details and a vehicle details and helper details. He can select the hospital. He can request the hospital according to the requirement. If the requirements of the ambulance driver are available, then the hospital can confirm the request. The this technological solution addresses the problem by creating an integrated system that improves efficiency, reduces delays, and ensures better resource management across hospitals. And the uniqueness of this website is it enables a real-time data sharing and coordination across multiple healthcare facilities, access location, provide the information about the hospital. For example, if a person is uh, check all check all his health in one hospital, he wants to go to another hospital. It is not necessary to check all the reports of his health in another hospital. He can share the reports from one hospital to another hospital, and also he can access a location, and he can select the hospitals nearby him by whichever hospital he want. Here is a real-time example of a person getting admitted to a hospital using this website. First, let us take a Ram. He logs into the website, selects his location, and searches for nearby hospitals. He checks the availability of the beds and medicines at Hospital X, which meets his medical needs. Ram selects the Hospital X, reviews its admitting times, and books an appointment for admission the same day. He uploads his personal details and medical reports to finalize the request. The hospital admin at Hospital X reviews RAM details and approves the appointment. They also verify if the required resources are available for his admission. RAM requests an ambulance service through the website. The nearest ambulance driver Mohan logs in, reviews the request, and gets picks up details. Mohan drives Ram to Hospital X, where he admitted and receives the necessary care. If he wants to go another hospital, he can go from one hospital to another hospital with his reports and data, which can be shared from one hospital to another hospital. This is a technical approach for the development of this website. We use HTML and CSS for the frameworks, and JSP JavaScript for the programming languages. And using for the databases, we use SQLite, MySQL, etc. And this is the overall view of the proposal solution. Everyone should have to register. After registration, it has 4 different logins. It is the overall view and a flowchart of this proposed solution. And these are the feasibilities and viabilities of the project. Analyzing the feasibility of bed vacancy in hospital involves accessing patient turnover rates, admission trends, resource allocation, and healthcare demands to determine if the facility can maintain an optimal balance between bed availability and patient care without compromising service quality. Potential challenges are staff training and adoption, user adoption, data updates, and privacy, and unnecessary bookings. Provide training sessions and resources for staff, providing guidelines about how to use. By manually verifying, we can overcome unnecessary bookings. These are the impacts and benefits. Bed availability in hospitals directly affects a patient and their families by influencing access to timely care. A shortage can lead to longer wait times, delayed treatment, and increased stress, while adequate availability ensures prompt admissions, better care outcomes, and reduced anxiety. These and the social benefits are enhanced access to care, reduced stress for families, and the economic benefits are improved resource allocation. Environmental benefits are energy efficiency and reduced waste. And these are the reference links which are referred by our team. Um, this is the overall view of our project. And we have created an interface for this project. This is the home page of our website by where he can see the information in this website. Mm, By clicking on a login, it goes to the login. It asks for which type of login it is. After clicking on the type of the login, it goes to a login. By giving a Gmail and password, he can log in. This is the overall view of our proposed solution. For this, we need some support from higher authorities to move this Vaidya 2.0 idea into the society. And by utilizing this website, patients should feel that government was provided better services in our places and should feel grateful towards our hospital system. Thank you for giving this opportunity.